Number one, just for information, everyone, the videos of what we're doing, I'm putting it back on itlearn.com. The current QA to AI from orientation to yesterday's session is here. Today's session also will go here. Eventually, it will go under AI and QA and other study streams. I'll send you that link, but right now everything's on the home page. Second team, you all are working on Cursor and you're trying to do UI and API automation using Selenium, Karate, Playwright, MCP so far. We also plan to do a lot of things around Tosca, Mabel, FoXYiZ, the other sides of SaaS solutions. So that is something maybe by tomorrow, I'll try and share which tool we'll start with, mostly Tosca, and go a little deeper into it. How does it work? And it's good skills to add to your profiles overall team. So while we have a good collection of courses on IT Learn, there are many more that we have to continue to add, the latest ones. So we'll do that. All right. So the big task today is on your integration of our GitHub repository for FoXYiZ onto your Cursor, VS Code, or any other PyCharm IDEs that you're using. So we can all start to work on the same UI and API tests using now FoXYiZ. Who would like to share the screens? I'll start guiding you from there. I still have a very bad voice. I can't speak extensive. Akhilesh, any response from our offshore team? Sunita, did you have a question? So team, let me continue. Primarily, we have only a very new repo. We just created it and we're getting started on it. This is the URL. I put it also in the chat for you all. You can download the entire code base and run it locally. You can take the link and link it into your, how do I say, sorry. And I don't know why it's only saying languages is HTML 100%, into your IDE team. Now, very important is there is a very good README for this. Even if you don't read through everything, if your AI agent reads through it, that is enough documentation to understand everything about FoXYiZ, at least to get started. And this demo version has some sample plans, actions, designs, which we call as YPATs. FoXYiZ is primarily low-code, no-code automation tool team. What we do is, 1 second. Is try and make the overall automation process easy, be it for test automation or regular task automation. And what we want to make sure is that AI understands it absolutely well. So if you want to share your screen, I'll show you how you can connect and start using FoXYiZ along with your Cursor to do automation like similar to maybe Selenium, Playwright, Cucumber, Karate, or maybe automation like N8 and Zapier and so on. When you look at the repo as a folder on your system, you'll see the most important one is foxyiz.exe. That is the F. X folder will basically have only xkpa.csv. That's the existing capabilities of what all FoXYiZ can do. It currently talks about a few modules, like we have UI and different actions that we can perform, about 18 of them. I don't think all of this are enough, but that is where X can be upgraded later. We have APIs, we have math, we have AI currently. In our dev version, we're building SAP, IoT, and a few more additional new capabilities, utils, file handlings, and all that. But with these, for now, we are able to achieve a large extent team. and that's a good starting point. That's my exposure. So if I talk about FoXYiZ as to what it is a function of X and Y that gives me Z. F is my engine, X are my capabilities, Y is my what I want to do, and Z are the results. So your Y folder is your low code, no code approach. I'm not writing any more Python code. If I want to test a UI application like Cogmento, I can use these plans where I have login, add contact, log out, 3 plans, which uses multiple actions for itself to perform using our existing capabilities. It uses inputs, which is what we keep in our Y designs. So plans have overall what we want to do. Actions break down my plans into executable steps, and designs are where I have all my data as different design sets. So anytime I can run the same automation in multiple designs. It could be 1 to hundreds or thousands. As of now, the way it is, 3 sets of CSV, minimal that you need. But as you go forward, you can add multiple plans, multiple actions, multiple designs, organize them. When you want to execute, you do something like this, frun.bat. That's my CLI command. All I do is go to say run the executable, and I provide one config file called fstart.json. That fstart.json has what I want to run. In this, I'm saying each YPad is a set of plans, actions, and designs. It's saying in the Y folder, in back office team, we don't need drivers anymore because we're using WebDriver Manager. So we can take this off. This is the old start.json. That's fine. It should still work with it, even if it is having additional information in it, but we don't need it. I'm running 3 YPads currently in parallel. My thread count is 4. I can make it 40 if my system is capable. I'm talking about doing something in our backend first or desktop, and we can do exactly the same on the front end. So this tells me run math, run mix, run Cogmento. Cogmento is a UI application, mix is UI, API, AI, all of them. Math is only pure math tasks. When I execute it, that specific set of YPads will get executed, and all my results will come in the Z folder. Z will timestamp everything. Is it empty? The Z currently looks like it doesn't have anything old. It'll timestamp everything and show you exactly what has been executed where. Now, if you look at FoXYiZ web application and you go to the demo, which is running on cloud, it'll go to app.foxyiz.com. We have tried to create the same interface on this team. On app. Let me try and continue with Google here. All of you can do the same. As of now, we kept it easy. Let me do it on my Chrome. Anyone ready to share their screens or not yet? Because I'm done in 2-3 minutes. And the whole purpose of this sessions team, again, I'm mentioning it to you. I am not the one who wants to speak. I want you guys to speak. Share your screens like we did yesterday. And it has to be everyone. If you're not participating, come back on weekends, relax, and you can listen in. But this is an active session. If you're not having systems hands down, then I absolutely do not want you to be participating team. It's a very serious project. I will not give you certifications or anything. That's the purpose. Sure, Hitesh, thank you. I'll do that. So the same F engine, X capabilities, my Y tasks, Z results are here. And there is a fully loaded AI assistant that can help you create anything that you want. And we have integrated F engine on cloud with AWS, or you can do it on a local machine. I have not put the download engines out here. I'll ask my team to change these links to our GitHub now that the demo is getting ready. But the demo is a good one. You can start there. All right, Hitesh, shall I make you presenter? Anyone else having questions? This is the app.foxyiz.com team. We are testing out exactly the same functionalities that we can do offline out here. Thank you. How about others? Who's going after Hitesh? Hitesh, are you connected through a browser or your desktop? You should be on the desktop GoToWebinar app, I believe. Somehow I'm not able to make you a presenter when I right click on your name. Thank you, Sirisha. Yeah, you can go after Hitesh. Let's see if Hitesh is able to switch his desktop view. And XR are existing capabilities team, what is built in and what is still pending and coming up. One good thing is users can request for additional capabilities, both in F engine and X capabilities later. But otherwise, anything that the user wants to do should be available as a YPad that talks about exactly what I have to do and what are the actions I take to achieve it. I can run it, and this should run it ideally on the cloud using AWS and get me the results in Z. So the desktop version does a lot more. The cloud version, we're still trying to get it into the shape, but it's happening much faster with AI team. And just before Hitesh goes, I want to mention one thing that about 3-4 weeks back, I asked the Cursor and other AIs compare FoXYiZ using its experience in documentation. Just read me with Playwright, Selenium, and other tools. It gave a good feedback. So I think we're going in the right direction there. All right, Hitesh, all yours, please. I made you presenter. Can't hear you or see your screen yet. Just letting you know. Should I go to Sirisha and come back to you otherwise? Ah, Hitesh dropped out from no. Yeah, he'll join back, I guess, Hitesh. Sirisha, I'll come to you. Let me see Hitesh again. 1 second. Who else, team? I'm only seeing 3-4 active participants every day. What about the others? I would love to help you to get on board, get up to speed. We see your screen and you're self-muted as of now.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now we can hear you perfect. Thank you.
Okay. You can see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so here's my cursor. And so far I have some of the things I tried based on your recordings from a couple of days back.
Okay.
And that's how far as I was able to go.
That's nice.
I missed yesterday's lecture, so I haven't had a chance to catch up.
Sure. Yesterday, mostly it was our team, rest of the members who shared their VS Code, Cursor, and how it is working, a little bit about Git concepts and so on at a high level. But yeah, watch it, you'll get an idea. What all do you have on the left side in under IT Learn?
So I basically ran that agent, you know, the way he indicated in your video.
Uh-huh.
and it basically created all these folders for me and threw in the scripts,
So these are for the UI
Yeah.
testing,
Yeah.
UI web app testing. I see.
So yeah, it basically tests, all the different pages, login, checkout, registration.
Very nice. And yesterday we only did 2 or 3, I believe. And the good part is even without an existing code base, just by watching a video, you could get it to such an extent, Hitesh. And
Should be able to do this much.
that's good progress. Very nice progress. Thank you. I appreciate that. Now let's
Sure.
create a new window in Cursor. We can open a new window somewhere.
New window. Okay. Clone the repo.
Let's do clone repo. Correct. Now let's paste that FoXYiZ URL here. Okay. Do you have, okay. Do you have a GitHub account? Team, you all have to do very similar, please.
It's right here.
You signed in. Perfect. Yeah. So now, yeah, let's take, no, click on demo and take that folder, please. Web app and one should not be visible. Yes. So this is our repo cloning URL. Let's see if it gets us. It's connecting to your account, is it?
Shoot.
What's it saying?
It says install.
Later. It's still authenticating.
Cancel out of this?
No. Click on that open that link, please. No, on the said bottom. Yes, device link. This link, that one. Continue. And you remember that code we got? You have to put it here.
Let's see.
Cursor. If you go back. This code. Correct. And whenever I have a question, I try and slow down and try and spend. Right side, there's a tab. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Continue. Was requested, authorize Visual Studio Code. Using VS Code or Cursor? VS Code.
It was cursor. Should I go back?
That's fine. It looked Cursor only. I didn't see the icon. They look very similar because Cursor, I think. Use passkey. Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Let's switch tab to the IDE. We should be ready there now, I think. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Let's click on that. And somewhere locally it wants to create. So you put it under ITLN itself for now.
So I think I have right here.
Yes, that's it. It's a select as repository destination. So it might create it under. So it's cloning means it's copying everything from there to here.
Open it.
Open, correct.
Okay, we're there.
Perfect. Now, are you able to right click and add everything to the context window?
Even here, minimize this. Even here?
Not here, on the left, on demo, on the right, word demo. Right click on demo. Yeah, so you can't add it to the context window. What you have to do, team, is do me a favor. Let's add them individually for now, all of them into context window. First is expand X. Right click on Xcapa, add to cursor chat.
Add file to cursor chat.
Correct.
Okay.
Expand Y. Right click on the entire Y folder.
Add directory to cursor chat.
Sorry, that's right. Thank you.
And same for Z.
Yeah, let's expand Z and see what's, no, no, first let's expand it. So just expand any of them, please. Math makes there. So these are date-based, time-based results in HTML and CSV and the log text file, 3 different formats. So yes, let's try and add Z also folder into the um, cursor chat. So as we keep doing it, if you right side, if you see the whole things are coming. If you go to IT Learn, the previous one, I'll show you how easy it will be. You don't have to add each of them. The only other thing that you need here are readme.md. Click on readme.md, please. Just click on it. We'll see the content also. Here is a good size description about FoXYiZ, how it is structured, what all are there for a human and AI both. So this has to go into context. Right click and add it, please. Add file to cursor chat, correct? What else do I need here? fstart.json, maybe you can add just as a format. So it knows the template. Perfect. Now, um, let's say I want to test some application that you already are doing. No, why did you say new chat?
Oh, sorry.
No worries. Um, you see that history icon beside it? Timeline. No, stay on the AI panel to the right. Slow down. Move left to it. What is that? Okay, left timeline. Click. Oh no, that's fine. Let's do one. Let's do one
Oh,
thing.
I lost it.
I don't know. Click because it should be there at least as a new tab. I'll show you an easier way. Go back to your previous cursor where you had IT Learn folder. It'll be very easy now.
No.
Another
Previous.
cursor window. Correct. Cursor will have now 2 windows maybe. On top, you see no. Okay. All right. Now on the left side, do you see demo folder under config?
Yeah.
Expand it. That's the entire FoXYiZ. Now right click on demo and add to new cursor chat. New cursor chat, please. Directly to. Yes. So now you see there are 2 tabs. Build automatic automation is there. On the right side, we have
Mhm.
new chat. Your prompts are now gonna be on your new chat. Stay on new chat. Now right under it. Don't go bottom. Yeah, just there. Say generate wipepads to test. Which application should we give? Say foxes.com. That's it. Enter it. Let's see if it can understand first. If you have Playwright MCP enabled, it should be able to go to that application and actually do it in front of us. Right now, we're trying to generate CSVs. This is your approach team. And all the wipepads that you see on the left are generated that way in a very simple way. I can generate UI, API, AI, any kind of tests. Now it's understanding about FoXYiZ. And if it has smaller agent or not too much power, then it'll take time.
Hmm.
Yeah. The same one on my premium account would go much faster, lightning speed. But the good thing is on the bottom, currently your context is only 8.2% bottom right, if you see that
Yeah.
number.
Yeah.
So I can add a lot more files. Let's say we're running the tests, we get reports, there are images, screenshots, it's adding context. It'll increase, but I'm under 10%. Now it's 8.6%. You know why? Expand Y on your left side. There was no FoXYiZ earlier, so it will create a new folder. Let's see.
Hmm.
Saying wipeads underscore FoXYiZ. It's generating some content. From 8 it's come to 8.7. Yep, it's creating now. Now it created FoXYiZ on the left.
So it's asking me to install Rainbow CSV extension.
That's a good extension. It'll show a CSV simple editor. You can say install. I hope it will not kill the cursor session. Trust publisher and install. Yes, it's a good extension. It'll make colorful view of your CSV. It's easy to
Oh, okay.
read. Not a great editor, but simple enough to work along with cursor. Team, is everyone else following what we're doing here? Hitesh and I? Will you all be able to perform the same at your end? And anyone wants to speak? I think you're all unmuted from my end. You can unmute at your end.
Yeah, I'm trying to set up my cursor somehow, like I'm having sign up issues. I'm figuring that out.
Okay, cursor first and then you can. Alternately, do you have PyCharm or VS Code? You can try that also. On the
I
left side, yeah, sorry, go ahead please first.
Cursor can be big time memory hogger too.
Sorry, what was that?
I said cursor can hog up a lot of memory. The other day when I was running it, it easily, I have 16 gigs and it sucked up all 16 gigs.
So it's like a gas guzzler.
Yep. Yeah.
All right. Rainbow CSV is a good plugin to install. Hitesh, on the left side, can you expand FoXYiZ under the Y folder? It created now, green. There you go. So click on plans. It's saying it created now. Verify home title, a login flow, and navigation features. Just 3 tests. Action.csv. To do these 3, it will go through the next CSV, please. Actions. And right now, all of these are CSVs. With the rainbow installed, I think you're able to see some color difference right now. Otherwise, it will be all gray. So there doesn't need to be empty rows 5 and 12. I don't think it should hurt though, as of now.
Okay.
Let's try as is.
Okay.
For the first checking title, it has only 3 actions. Open the browser, navigate to URL, get page title. There is no close browser anywhere. It might open 3 browsers, but we can test it. Let us look at the designs once, please. It doesn't have anything here. There's something wrong in actions as a template. Let's go there. It should not make that mistake. Action. Okay, let me read the headings. Plan ID, step ID, step info, action type, action name, input, output, expected. So Chrome and expected is Chrome. Okay. Oh, URL. Okay. Checking the URL. Looks okay. The URLs can go into the designs. That would be the intent for later. Even you see the CSS input, all of this. I don't need element identifications in here. CSS button and all that. Username, password. So slight changes can be done, but right now it looks good. Let's read AI, please, what all it said about it. Let's scroll up. We'll do a quick read. It's talking similarly. So it's done this, yeah. Keep going down. Plans, actions, designs. It had to create 3 CSVs. Now it created this ypads underscore foxes.json, where that is, it points exactly to where my plans, actions, and designs are. This is an important JSON. Now in fstart.json, it's saying math, mix, and what else? Click on it. Fstart. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's fine. Where is FoXYiZ in this? Scroll left further.
That's it.
Then okay. Do I need outline and timeline on my left window? I don't need that. Oh, it does. Okay. So I did add foxes.json. So it's trying to do 4 parallel YPad executions. That's fine. Do you need outline and timeline on your left side, please? If not, can you minimize them?
This one?
I see outline and timeline under it. It's occupying most of my space.
Sorry.
Yes, I don't need them.
Oh,
Thank you. Can you minimize everything else? Scripts and tests. I only want to see demo folder.
Scripts, even this one?
On the left, my navigation panel, I want to have a clean view because it'll be easy.
Okay.
First, collapse demo. Everything else is collapsed under it, correct? Okay, now expand demo, please.
I can close this too now.
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, that just unclutters it. We have everything now. All it has to do is FoXYiZ.exe and execute this. Remember, before we do any execution, you have to click on keep all on the bottom right. You have to make sure that you accept whatever AI suggested. Yes, please. Okay. Oh. This is an incorrect f start. Okay. Now click on fstart.json. I just want to make sure that it has foxes pointed in it. fstart.json. There we go. It has it. Perfect. Now in your terminal at the bottom. Oh, this is your but did you download? This is for the Windows version and you're on Mac. Let's try.
No, this is for Mac.
You're on Mac and this, okay. You're on Mac, correct, right now?
Yeah.
What we downloaded from GitHub is a Windows version mostly. You might need a DMG or something for it. We'll come back to it, but let's try. Because I don't know if you can execute it. FoXYiZ.exe. Yeah, copy that. Only the first two. Because we'll say fstart.json. It's a different config file.
So this one or this one?
Now, both of them are incorrect.
Oh.
Both of them are same. Copy whatever, I'll edit it. Delete from the right. If you want the exact command, it's already there in front.bat. But otherwise, all that you have to write here is fstart.json.
Minus config fstart.
S is uppercase, please. Just look at the file on the left side, the naming convention. Just in case, I always try and stick with it.
Oh, fstart. Okay, sorry.
There you go. That's your command. Now, this is the command that you can do on anywhere.
Okay, didn't find.
Number one, you're in ITLN folder. You have to go to demo, CD demo, or now repeat that upper arrow and go back. Yes, let's try now.
Still not finding it.
We are in demo. Do ls in demo or DA? Yeah, I have FoXYiZ.exe.
So why is it not doing it?
So right click, okay, copy this and put it into cursor chat and let's ask.
I think, is it due to the case sensitive thing for the demo folder?
Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Team, I need to take a break. But we see everything right out here. We went to the demo folder, CD demo, and we did a list. So we see everything here.
Yeah, seems like we have the Windows version. Right? It's a Windows binary though. The one
It looks like, yeah. So what is option 2? Via Wine. Okay. Option 3 is native Mac OS runner. let me see. Anyone from the offshore dev team for FoXYiZ on this call? Did we prepare the Akhilesh?
I got it.
Do we have the Mac executable also getting ready?
Yeah, I think Mohit is working on it.
Mohit is working on it. Hitesh, we'll try and send it to you as soon as we're done. Maybe in a day, we'll test it again. Sorry, you're blocked with it. You did so much progress and you're there. Thank you, Akhilesh.
That's okay. That's a good practice run.
Yes. And so for me, right, it doesn't stop me anywhere. So one after the other, one after the other. Now, all you have to do is minimize demo on the left side, go to your next project, add that to cursor chat, continue like that. So we'll have different things you can keep doing in the same IT Learn folder.
Okay.
That way it's easy for you.
Sure.
Great start. Thank you, Hitesh. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you for guiding.
You're welcome.
So
Sirisha? Yeah,
stop?
I'll just make Sirisha the presenter. Yes, you can. Thank
Okay.
you. Team, so once you clone the repo onto cursor, and then you should be able to execute everything to a large extent.
How do I stop it?
You stopped it, I guess. Sirisha is now the presenter.
Okay.
D demo. What is that, Visalakshi? Question. PyFNG.py also works, I think. Are they?
Hi, Karthik.
Akhilesh, PyFNG.py won't work because in default demo, there is no Python code. It's just executable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hi, someone was speaking. Sorry. Sirisha, was that you?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Just me, Karthik. Sorry,
Hi, Visalakshi. Yes, please.
The last time when Hitesh was trying to execute, it didn't run right from the Mac thing. Is it by any chance due to being case sensitive with the folder name?
No, no.
Okay.
If it was, it wouldn't have, when I put ls, correct? It wouldn't have shown me what was in that folder directory. It wouldn't have gone there.
Okay.
So we changed our folder. We're in the correct folder. And we asked cursor, so it told us clearly, option 1, run it on Windows. Option 2, use Wine. Option 3, something else on Mac. So what we're going to do is create, it's all about the FoXYiZ.exe was built for a Windows. We have to now build one for a Mac.
Okay.
You know, 2015, 10 years ago, when I built NEOrt, there was only one executable that worked for both the operating systems, but I used Java for it. I don't know if it is about the packagings in these two technologies. I'll do a little research. For now, we will get both the versions. Even on FoXYiZ homepage, we're keeping that like Windows version, Linux version, and Mac version. Sirisha, your screen, we can see. Did you want to say, share something?
Yeah, I have opened a new Visual Studio window.
So we have to follow the same instructions for that we did on Hitesh's screen.
Yeah.
So, well, okay, now that you're already here, on the left side, you see that 3 circles connecting, that's the GitHub icon. Yes.
Yeah.
So let's click on that and clone repository. Clone from GitHub. Then you connect to GitHub. Then you get the FoXYiZ thing here. Yours is a Windows machine, right? It should work then. Click on clone from GitHub under it. Okay, clone it. Yeah, allow. Looks like either it is recognizing your GitHub configuration or it will sign in automatically. Once you do it, you can get any repository from anywhere. In fact, again, click on the left side, clone repository, clone from GitHub. Click on that. No, above that.
Yeah.
See, that's the wrong.
Hmm.
Okay. No, it's coming actually.
I sorry. I'll share this.
Copy
So
this.
this is the repository.
Perfect.
And visual code.
Acha, in VS Code. I was
Yeah.
thinking cursor. Okay.
Because the cursor tokens have run out.
Paste it first. Yes, click that, please. Not that. Yes. Why are you kicking bottom? Correct. Now put it in any folder that you're practicing in. That's good enough here. Since it's not a large objects, about 40 MB, cloning will be very fast. We can say open. We don't need new window. There we go. Perfect. Now, does VS Code know everything about the demo folder as context? Ask a question and check it. Do the same. Generate YPads for FoXYiZ.com, for example.
Shall I add this to the chart first?
I don't know how it works. Can you right click and say it? I don't know. So right click. No. So individually you have to add, or do one thing, go to QA to AI and then open demo. Then it'll be easy. That's what I was showing. I'm repeating the same thing, Sirisha, again. We did it with Hitesh. You can go one folder level. So go to on the same, say open file, open folder. And go to QA to AI. No. Click on Sirisha, your name before that. That's it. Now click on QA to AI, select folder. Correct. Perfect. Now only right click on demo and add folder to chat. There we go. Now we are set. You can ask it to create YPads for demo web shop, FoXYiZ.com or anything. That's your point now. It's very nice patient prompting. There's no registration tests. Oh, go ahead, please.
Yeah, just one test.
Okay.
I'll
Have
give the
to
URL.
the URL. Yeah, demowebshop.triscientist.com, I guess. Excuse me. You can check. Heroku also is there, but we're using this now. I always like testing multiple. You got it. Okay. But will it create YPad tests or not is my question. That is what I'll have to figure.
I gave like a lemon prompt. I didn't explain what is YPad, etc.
Nah. See, problem is this. I only gave demo folder into the chat. Why is it looking at demo web shop Triscientist folder also on the left and created a new folder called demo web shop underscore tests? Expand demo web shop underscore tests above that. That's a new one that it just created. The one above it, please. I'm very quick with what AI is doing. I read what it's doing and I'll always keep seeing the left side to see what is changing. So it's created that. It is going in the wrong direction. Ask it to, you need to, where did you say create YPad CSVs?
I didn't give that word YPad.
Then it won't understand. And what is demo project? Where did we say FoXYiZ framework? Using FoXYiZ framework, create YPad CSVs. So change your prompt. Click on your prompt.
Can I edit it from here?
I think so. Or copy. We can go and put it down. Using FoXYiZ framework. Why is there no context here? Oh man. Again, right click and add demo, please, to context. Yeah. Okay, now I see demo folder there. Good. Using this FoXYiZ framework, generate YPad CSVs. CSVs. No, separate, please. Because there are multiple CSV files to create. 3 at least. To create registration tests for. That's it. That question mark remove, please. It's gone into the URL.
Okay.
Thank you. Now let's enter. Let's try.
Shall I clearly mention from the demo project, or it is enough?
I want VS Code to be smart enough to be
Okay.
in context of demo folder. If it is not, I will never use this tool again in my life. I will be so scared if it goes off my context window. Let's see. Oh, you deleted it. That's fine. Yeah, I would have said, I hate your response. I would have said whatever I told you, I would have told this cursor chat or whatever chat here, VS Code, that how can you generate something when I gave you only this context? And why should I be babysitting and explaining like, oh, generate YPad, CSVs and all that? That is where I want to be brutal with AI. At least humans have feelings. We will get hurt if we get this, but AI, let's go full-fledged. Give it all. Say, I'm very unhappy that you generated this way. It will apologize and it will say, sorry, I now understood.
Yeah.
And it'll make it slowly your rules. In future, we have to make rules, team. I'll explain. So plans, action designs. Now you can test to run it at your end, please. And you can also install the Rainbow CSV, Sirisha, yes. So basically cursor is a full copycat of VS Code almost. Everything looks same except the top left icon. Yeah, wow. Happy path, invalid email, password mismatch.
Would you like me to help you with creating the necessary configurations or test execution setup?
I think it's talking about fstart.json and all that we can do it also ourselves. But say yes and let's see what it says. Continue.
Shall I ask it to run the test?
No, don't say too much. It asks you a question, right? Yes, continue, please, is your response. I try and be very fast with it. So that, because what is happening is I'm giving prompt and then I'm going to the side, checking everything and so on. I'll help you. See, now it's creating. Okay, good. So Sirisha, will you be able to try to execute it at your end and let me know?
Sure.
And team, one more thing, Hitesh and a lot of people have mentioned they would like an evening schedule rather than the morning. Maybe from tomorrow we'll try to see how we can switch between. Maybe we'll have both the sessions, morning and evening.
Yeah, evening works better for me.
Even for me, they slowly, I will do that. As long as we can progress well and we all are participating, then I'm great about it. Hi, Aparna, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, when we will get this recording the videos, because I missed this
You will
actually.
not get Aparna. You will never get it because I won't send it. You have to go to itlearn.com and it'll be there within 24 hours.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
orientation day 1, day 2, day 3 are there. This video, once I stop the recording, I have to wait it for conversion, then download it, upload it, then put it
Yeah.
on itlearn. So you can go there and check. It'll take 3-4 hours, please, after the session.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Aparna. Thank you.
It's asking me to run frun.bat so that it can create the results as well in jet directory.
Correct. It understood everything. Yeah, we should go ahead.
Shall I just double click?
No,
Oh.
click on that. I'll tell you. Click on frun.bat.
Here.
Copy this. Open a terminal. No.
Oh,
Stay.
here. Sorry.
Don't. Okay. Next time on the top right, you see 3 icons. Left panel, middle, on the top right. Right. All the way right.
Oh, here.
Above that. About to the left. Go one left. One more left. That is okay. Hold on. Those 3. That is the left panel.
Yeah.
For your projects and all. Then your next one is a terminal panel.
Terminal,
Click on.
yeah.
If you click on it, it will go away. Now, toggle panel. Yeah. Click. Gone. Click again.
Oh, okay. Instead of going there.
Now, you have to first go to your demo folder here. So CD demo. Now you can paste this. But one second. Did you click on keep? 5 files changed on the bottom right. I will not do it on each file. Hold on, please. Bottom right, AI chat window, there's a button called keep. 4, 5, yes, click on that. It'll do it for everything. Now hit the enter command, please. Be careful with the versions team. Files are opened and they're not saved, then it might not. I don't know. I'll add it to cursor chat or whatever chat, sorry, VS Code. Copy that entire thing and paste it first. Why don't you copy the entire thing? I don't understand. Why you only copy in red? Yeah, copy more content. It's only text. It's the simplest context you can give. Okay. There we go. Shift enter and say, help me debug. Akhilesh is seeing that this, right? It should not have happened, but why is it happening? I don't know. We'll have to figure it out with the team later. Okay. All right. Dot slash. Then it, there we go.
Okay.
Now, let's do it. Let it do execution for now. So this is doing the terminal execution. Yeah, let it check, allow. Why does it need frun.bat stupidly? That's not, where did you originally get the FoXYiZ.exe? Nah, I don't know what is happening here. Let's try this command, try running frun.bat. Is fstart.json updated with the new whitepads it created for demo web shop? Also will check. Yeah, whitepads underscore demo web shop is there. So even if demo web shop is not correct, math mix and cogmentor should work. That's the idea. Let's try. Open command prompt.
Yeah.
Go to that folder. And let's try the same again. I've seen that happening a few times, but not like it was not handleable. It was a quick fix. The original
FoXYiZ.
.exe that go to frun.bat, copy that and put it here. Thank you. Perfect. That's just FoXYiZ.exe. Yes, that's it. That's all.
We don't want this one.
Now let me see if it's working. So it typically takes a few seconds to kickstart, then it'll identify what all we gave, and it'll try to execute everything one after the other. So I don't know what the problem is with VS Code that it's not able to do, but looks like on command prompt, it is at least about to start. Let's wait and see. Hold on, don't do anything. Do you have Gecko driver or Chrome? Now copy this entire thing. So it's almost ready. This is good. I think
Yeah, it
overall.
has asked me earlier, make sure you have Chrome driver installed.
See, even if it's not Chrome driver, let's look at Z, if it created any results right now. First, expand Z folder.
Yeah.
In your IDE. Z will be under Y. Yeah. There we go. At 2025 10/15, October 15th, at 17:37 hours, it created ypads_cogmento and demo workshop. Click on zlog.txt. It only created this. It's supposed to create a lot more. Error. So you see that? Scroll to the right. Same one is also there on the bottom in your CLI. Input files missing. Keep going, please. Y1 plans, let's see, everything is there. Okay, I won't spend time on this. Go back to your command prompt. We'll copy that, put it into cursor chat here. Or now just go to what I would do, right? If my ID is this bad, just stay with ChatGPT 5 and use command prompt to execute things.
Okay.
I don't even need IDE, I'm saying. But copy everything and put it right now in IDE and say, I ran it in command prompt and this is the result. Ask it to debug. Yeah, thank you. So now you have to see if math and mix ran, please, on the left, see results. That's important after you send it. So I let it work and come switch, not that, please. Hold on, stay on the date, the version, the color is green. Those are the old ones. These are the new ones. Yeah, click on math. Click on now. So looks like, okay, go to results.csv. So it worked. It executed everything in math. Go to mix. It did not execute. So go to Cogmento. It did not execute. You have a problem with your driver.
Okay.
If that, as per the instructions on the right, everything will work.
Okay, I'll work on it. Got it.
Yeah, the framework expects these files in your X directory. No, it does not. This is an old version. It does not expect. Expects. Can you do as per what it suggested? Number one, download Chrome driver, and number two, put it in the drives and test it once. And with one command, you can say change all my designs, Y designs, to only test on Chrome first. Possible. Aparna, your hand is still raised. Do you have something you want to share more?
No, I'm sorry. Yeah.
No worries. Thank you. Visalakshi, is this the healing process of errors? Yes, absolutely. Non-stop healing. Non-stop. Unbreak. I mean, there's no need for a break team. If this won't work, I'll switch. If that doesn't work, I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll do or Playwright MCP. There are too many solutions that way. But FoXYiZ should work based on this. We'll see. What are you reading so much? Stable releases. Version selection page. Click on that link. On the, yeah. Go ahead, team, get your Chrome drivers. It should work. But otherwise, math is working. That means FoXYiZ is working. If Chrome drivers are not set, once they're set, web drivers, then it should be fine. I'll discuss with my team because WebDriver manager should have handled it differently without having the need for the end user to download everything. Great. Thank you, Sirisha. Again, absolutely phenomenal improvement. I think we're getting stronger and stronger there. That's good contribution.
Thanks, Kathy.
Thank you. Team, anyone else? Or any other questions, or are we good for now? We can connect later. I'll upload the video in a few hours. Just definitely go through and try and repeat the same, please. Test it once.
By when can you have the Mac version of the?
Next version, which on the Windows version, at least by tomorrow. Mac, maybe by day after, worst case.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1-2 days we'll finish all of it.
I guess I'll wait till then.
Sure, Ritesh. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one. Bye for now. Connect tomorrow.
One more thing. So tomorrow evening or still in the morning session?
So mostly I'll move it to evening for now. I'll change, or maybe I'll have both. So who can join morning and evening
Okay.
for this week? I'll update in GoToWebinar and share that so you'll get notified.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye all.